Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to crochet this waistcoat stitch. It's a stitch that looks like knitting but it's crocheting. So today we'll be learning how to crochet this, and it's very easy. It's just a normal stitch that we are all familiar with. So let's get to work. I'm using my 5.0mm hook. You can use any hook side of your choice depending on the project you want to use this stitch for. Let's get to work. First, you have to flip your yarn to make and to start your project. You flip the yarn, insert your hook, yarn over, go through, yarn over again, go through, and pull out the yarn. Then you get something like this. For this project, I'm doing a chain of 25 chain because it's just a sample. If you are doing something more than this, so you just have to do it based on your measurement and the length of what you are doing. That's the chain. For this, just a sample, so it don't take much of our time. So I'm doing 25 chains for this sample, so get it when I get to the end of this. So this is the end of the 25 chains. Now get the turning for the first row. So you have to add more chains for the turning, then you make a single crochet in the second chain. Single crochet, do a single crochet till you get to the end. So you might when you get to the end of this project. So this is the end of the single crochet, and if you know how to do it, it's just a simple thing. So we'll get to the main work now. So now you have to chain one, turn your work. So in this project, what we are going to do, instead of inserting inside the next chain, so we are going inside the V stitch, inside the single crochet, we are going inserting our hook inside the single crochet. We are not putting it in the next, in the next single crochet. We are putting it inserting the hook inside the single crochet. You see as I'm doing it. So you can see till you get to the end of the project. Hand. Make sure you are putting it in, you are inserting your hook inside the single crochet, not the other way around. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm inserting it inside the single crochet, that I did in the first row. So you can see, if you are inserting it in the next, inside the space in the space in the single crochet, you won't get the result of what you'll be seeing right here. So meet when you get to the end. So you can see how the result is. This is the second row. Make a chain one, turn your project, and it should be giving you something like this. And when you are in this third row, the work will be more easier for you because you're able to see the V sign is upside down. The V is upside down, so you are inserting your hook inside the V sign. You can see the third row is more easier for you. That's how you are going to get this waistcoat stitch that looks like knitting, and it's actually easy, and it's not transparent. It's what you can use for your cardigan, your shirt, your vest, blanket, any work, any project you want to do. You can use this for each skirt. Just name the project you want to use it to do. You can see the third row is actually easy because you're able to see where you are inserting your hook. Mind you, don't forget that you are not inserting your hook in the space next to the single crochet. You are inserting your hook inside the V sign. So this is the end of the second row, and don't forget the last space. You have to do a single crochet in the last space, because that one doesn't show a V sign. So do not forget to insert your hook in the last space. It's very important, so that your work will be straight and neat. This is the third row, and if you are doing your work, make sure your single crochet is loose. Make sure it's not tight, so you'll be able to insert your hook freely without any stress. You can see this is the V sign. You're inserting your hook inside this V sign. You can see where I'm pointing my hook, so that you won't be confused. Do not insert the hook in the space next to the single crochet. Insert it inside this single crochet, which is the V sign. Do not insert it inside the space next to the single crochet. The V sign, you can see the V sign. That's where you are inserting your hook. And if your single crochet is loose, that is not too tight, you'll be able to insert your hook freely without any stress. So if you watch up to this moment, do not forget to subscribe, comment, and tell me what you'll be using this stitch for in your next project. And tell me what you want me to, the tutorial you want me to work on my next video. So you can see how I'm doing my single crochet inside the V sign. This is the purple. I did this purple because I want to work on a vest or a cardigan for this stitch. So if you watch up to this moment, you have to continue this till you get to the desired length of your project. Thank you for watching.